This is Francis from Easel. Today we're going to be talking about what to do if your machine is carving or jogging in reverse. And this is something we see relatively often, and it's a relatively easy fix. The first thing is before let's say you run a carve and it's running in reverse, just to double check that that's what's happening, you can go over here and jog your machine around. You want to make sure that when you jog it in a specific direction, the machine is actually moving in the opposite direction. If that's the case, then you can go ahead and run through this troubleshooting. Essentially, what you're first going to do is go up to your toolbox, go to your machine profiles, and uninstall the machine profile that you're using. In this case, I'm going to uninstall this Eurohome CNC carving machine 3018 Pro. I've uninstalled it. Now I'm going to go through and click on Machine and Set Up New Machine. And essentially what you're going to do is move through the machine setup to the point where it's going to ask you to test your wiring. And essentially what this does is this is a space that allows you to click buttons to jog your machine in a specific direction to see if it's moving correctly. So if I jog my x-axis on this minus and it's moving in the wrong direction, it's not moving to the left, but it's actually moving to the right, I can go over here and click on no. And then I'll get a question about what's happening. It'll say x-axis moves but in the wrong direction, or x-axis isn't moving at all. If I click on x-axis is moving but in the wrong direction, I'll be given the option to fix the x-axis, and it'll just ask if I want to change the Gerbil settings or rewire my machine. In this case, when I change the Gerbil settings, I can test that setting again, and now my machine is jogging in the correct direction. So I've changed the setting in the firmware that's now allowing it to jog in the correct direction. And you can do that for each axis. You'll have to press no for each individually, and then you'll want to test it again. But that's what to do if you find that your machine is carving in reverse or jogging in reverse. Have a wonderful day. Bye.
To learn more, head over to easel.com.